Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine and safe. Those who are not coming to the school, kindly see the class. Dear students, let us come back to our class. Today, we learn about the poem from the 8th lesson, main reader. We learn about the poem. The poem is about the meadow surprises. What is a meadow? Meadow means here it is about open grassland. It is a open grassland. So in the open grassland where we could see in the park or in the zoo, we could able to see, yes or no? So in the open grounds, what are the things we are able to see when we go to that particular place? What are the things we can enjoy? Let us see in the poem. On page number 123 in your textbook, please open the text, all of you. Meadows have surprises, you can find them if you look. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup and unfold its stringing straws to sip the nectar up. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hopes you will, a dandelion whose pussycat was golden days ago has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. Explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ants' amazing mound. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. If you listen, again we'll see from the first stanza. Meadows have surprises, you can find them if you look. Meadows means it is a green open grasslands. What do you mean by meadows? Open grasslands. So when we go to the park or the zoo, there will be so much of grass will be growing everywhere, open land. So in the meadows, if we go to this place, it will give us the surprises. Surprises it will give for us. You can find a new if you look. How can we find the different surprises in these meadows? When we look them carefully, if suppose we went to the park, there is so much of everywhere, the flowers will be there, the grasses will be there, and the floor, different grasses will be growing. We could see some animals, birds and a rabbit, everything running. So then some streams also will be there, flowing with the water. When we go to the meadows, when we observe them very clearly, when we observe them carefully, we could see many things and it will make us to surprise. It will give us a happiness. Walk softly through the velvet grass and listen by the brook. So the land is filled with the grass. We have to walk on the grass very softly, means without making sound. Through the velvet grass. Velvet means it is a very soft. The grass will be very soft. When we walk on this grass very softly, we could see many things and listen by the brook. Brook means a small stream. Means the water flows from the stream. There will be a small streams, water will be flowing. If we walk softly through the velvet grass and the soft grass, when we walk very slowly, very carefully, and we listen very carefully, we could enjoy the brook. The brook means the flow of the water from the streams, the music of this water flowing. When the water flowing, there will be some sounds. So that will be considered as a music. It will be very nice to listen to them. It will give us a happiness for us. So, and the open ground, when we walk slowly on the velvet grass, soft grass, if we listen them carefully, we could enjoy the beauty of the grass as well as we could enjoy the stream, the water on the flows, that music of the water, sound of the water, it gives us a happiness. You may see a butterfly rest upon a buttercup, and you can also see on the butterflies, there are varieties of butterfly. It will be going and sitting on the buttercup. Buttercup means it is a wild plant. It is a wild plant, not the domestic plant. It is a wild plant with a yellow cup shaped flower. Buttercup means a wild plant with yellow cup shaped flower. It will be shaped like a cup shaped, it will be. Actually, this is a wild flowers, and this flower, how it looks like a cup shape. The cup, the drink we call with coffee and milk and all we drink. So it is in the form of a cup shaped, and what color it is? Yellow in color. On this particular flowers, who is going and sitting? The butterfly is sitting. For what the butterfly they go? In order to suck the honey from that particular flower. So here, rest upon a buttercup and unfold its stringing straws to sip the nectar up. So what this butterfly do after sitting on this particular flower? Unfold, they open their straw. Straw means to drink the waters or to the coconut water. The coconut, when we go out, when we buy the coconut, they put like a small tube something they put and give. Through that we drink the coconut water. Same way here the butterfly has their own wings like something like a small thin pipe like something. That pipe it is already folded, they open and they keep into the buttercup. They just put into the flowers, this particular flower, and what they do, through the buttercup, the straw, they begin to drink suck the honey. So what they do? And unfold its stringing straws. It will be folding, opening the particular things which is kept for them, the butterfly for to suck the honey. So tip to sip the nectar up. What they do? They slowly, they'll be sipping means urinji edukuvinga, they'll be sipping the nectar. Nectar means it is a honey, or we can call the divine drink. Drinking straws means we told used for sucking liquid. We use the liquid for straw. Everybody might be knowing. We use the straw in order to suck the liquid. So here this particular butterfly, what it is doing after sitting on the buttercup, this particular flower, it opens itself and suck the honey. So this first paragraph what is telling for us, sip means drink slowly. Slowly it begin to drink. So here this first stanza we could see that one. If we go to the meadows, the grass or the soup or the bark, we could see that there are plenty of open land. Grass will be there. On that grass it will be very soft. When we walk them very softly without making sound and we observe them, we could see that there are the flowing of the stream, the water will be flowing, that gives us that sound is like a music. It gives a beautiful, a joyful moment for us. Not only that one, even there is a plant is a buttercup plant is in that flower. What the butterflies they do, they go and sit and suck the suck the honey what is in that particular flower. So we could see what is meadow. Meadow means it is a, we learned this. What is a meadow? Meadow means it is a an open grassland. Then why does the butterfly go to the buttercup? For what? They are going to buttercup, this butterfly, because to tip the juice of the flower. The flowers, there will be always juice will be there. They suck that one, with that only they will be living their life. Next, what is buttercup? Buttercup means I told you it is a wild plant with a yellow cup shaped flower. Next, expose. Unfold means exposing. Now it is already folded and kept like this. We are just opening it like that. So exposing. Next you see next stanza. You may scare a rabbit who is sitting very still, though at first you may not see him. When he hopes you will. And when you walk on this particular land, open grassland, there is chance for you may see the rabbit you may scare a rabbit. Scare means making the rabbit to get frightened. Why the rabbit is getting frightened? Who is sitting very still? The rabbit may be sitting on the grass very still without any movement, enjoying the eating the grass, and it may be sitting there. But when we go to that near, then it gets frightened and it will be running away. How it runs away? It looks like when he hopes your will. Means it will be moving by jumping on one foot. When it sees us immediately what happens, it gets frightened and it will be with the one leg, it will be jumping and it will be going. So what is happening? The rabbit is sitting on the grass and sitting silently and eating. When we go near to that one, it gets frightened and it jumps and run away. A dandelion whose pussy head was golden days ago, he has turned to airy parachutes that flutter when you blow. So what happened here? A dandelion means it is a common yellow flower. It is a plant. It is a yellow color flower and it always looks in a golden color again. This particular flower plant looks like in a golden color. And what happened? This flower plant, it opens like a parachute. It is folded and kept now. It is opening up. It is just opening, blooming itself. The blooms, it converts to a parachute. You know the parachute, when the people travel on the parachute, they open, it will become like a umbrella. Yes or no? Same way this particular flower plant, dandelion flower plant, what happens? It opens itself and like a parachute it becomes. That flutter when you blow. When it opens, but how it looks like, it will be moving in the air. That flowers plant opens and it will be for the air. It will be moving like a parachute. So this particular dandelion flower plant is compared to the parachute. When it is open itself like umbrella, it will open up. And when the people travel on the parachute, by the air they will be taking and going away. Same way, this particular flower, what happens? When the air comes, it will be just like a flying in the air. See here. Scare means frightened. Making up the get frightened. Still means with no movement. Without movement, it will be sitting there. Next, hopes means jumping by one leg. Move by jumping on one foot. Next, parachute. You know already what is a parachute. It is a device, umbrella, like it will be flattered. Move in the flattered. F-L-U-T-T-R, flattered. Move in the air. Yeah, like birds. How the birds are moving, same way this dandelion plant after opening, like it becomes like an umbrella and it moves this and that side like a birds because of the air. Next we see in this one, who is sitting very still? Who is sitting in this one as a still? It is a rabbit. Next, what do you mean by hopes? Hope means I told you. When the rabbit hopes, you will see the hopes means the rabbit is jumping by one leg. Next, what is dandelion? I told dandelion means it is a common yellow flowered plant. Next, you see next stanza. Explore the meadow houses, the burrows in the ground, a nest beneath tall grasses, the ants' amazing mount. Oh, meadows are surprises and many things to tell. You may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. So what it is telling? Explore. Explore means we'll be discovering. When we walk on this open ground, grassland, we'll be able to discover many things. The land, grassland will be make us to different find out the new things like a houses in the on the open grassland. You could be able to different houses like that is like the burrows in the ground means the hole. What the rabbit and all will be doing on the ground, they will be making the hole and they may go on remain in inside one, and a nest beneath the tall grass. There are so many tall grasses will be there. Beneath that one, just beside that one, what the grass will be doing, they will be building their nest. Next, the ants' amazing mound. The ants will be, a mound means small pile. The ants, what they will do, they will make a mound, big mound in order to stay in that particular houses. Mound they will be making next. So these are the things. When we go to this open meadows, we could see that different items, means different houses for the rabbit and the houses for the birds and houses for the ant. Oh, meadows have surprises and many things to tell. So this meadows, this open grasses surprising us, and this open grasses wants to tell us many things. But when we come to know all these many things, when we observe them, when we listen to them carefully, when we concentrate on this one, we'll be able to get so many surprises from this meadows. And you may discover these yourself if you look and listen well. So these are the things. What are the things you will be able to discover? You will be able to discover about these houses for the rabbit, ants and the birds nest. Not only that one, even the butterfly sucking the honey juice from the flower plant, and we also see that the particular dandelion flowers is opening itself, and like a parachute it becomes, like umbrella becomes, and when it moves like a birds how they are flying in the air, same way this will be moving this particular plant. All these things are we are able to observe, we are able to see when we observe them very keenly. Keenly means without any disturbance. When we look into them very silently, we will be able to observe different things, and it gives us a happiness. So the meadow surprises means it is an open grassland. When we go to this open grasslands, we are able to enjoy many beauty of the grasses, beauty of the small animals, wet animals, small animals, and beauty of the grasses and the water flows, and how the butterflies are coming and sitting and drinking the juice, and how the flowers are opening of themselves, and how they are giving the beauty to the people. So these are not only this, even we are able to observe so many things when we are able to observe them. So this is the meadow surprises. So when those who have gone to park, if you are going again, you just, when you go, just don't jump here and there and go, just you observe them carefully. There will be so many beauty of the nature will be able to enjoy in that particular park. So with this I conclude this poem. Please students, learn it at home. So you can, one more we can ask the question, what is the poet suggested? Here the poet what is telling us, we have to travel into the meadow. We have to travel means we walked into the meadows, open ground, then we'll be able to enjoy. Then what does the poet mean by meadow houses? Means we can say burrows, news, nest and the mounds for the animal, the ants. All these are sorry. So dear students, listen to the class and study well. Thank you. Have a nice day.